Good morning, guys. So today my cell phone messenger, my messenger app just stopped working all of a sudden, and I'm not sure what happened. And I had to reset my cell phone to factory settings, and it didn't help. So what you can do is to save you all the hassle that I've been through this morning is um, the latest version of Messenger, which is the 395 somehow got broken on my phone, which is the Xiaomi M10T. And what I did is I went to APK Pure, where you can download APKs for uh, the softwares that you need. So what you're gonna do is go to the old version tab right here. So you can download the other variants of 395 version. So, but I went for the 394 and I downloaded the first one. So suddenly it's working right now, and yeah, I guess I'll try to update it to the latest version and see if it still crashes. If it is, then I will just use the 394 for now. So yeah, I hope that helps you and save you time in all the hassle that I've been through this morning. Oh, I forgot to mention that I already deleted the cache and the data and it uninstalled the application and still didn't help. So like I said, I already reset it to factory settings. But yeah, so if this will help you, please like and subscribe. Thank you.